vibe of Africa. Ostrich runs with legs so long, kicking up dust like he's singing a song. He can't fly, oh me, oh my, but when he zooms, even lions wave goodbye. Oh, funny vibe on the African scene, bright feathers and moves like you've never seen, laughing loud under the big blue sky. These birds are wild, come and say hi. With a grumpy face, stands like a statue frozen in place, quiet as a whisper, slow and sly, till he snaps and the fish say bye-bye. Oh, funny vibe on the African scene, bright feathers and moves like you've never seen, a waddling, flapping, reaching high. These birds are wild, come and say hi. Secretary bird with legs so neat, kicks snakes away with ninja feet. Glasses on, walking proud, feathers fly, he struts like he's wowing a crowd. Hornbill with a thunderous call, red on his face and proud of it all, stomping slow but strong and bold, with a booming voice and stories told. And now the star with a flash of red, chirping loud above your head. He talks a lot, and that's no lie. It's Zazu, the sassiest bird in the sky.